Mr. Speaker, sir, the Honourable Prime Minister, Honourable Leader of the Opposition, Honourable Members of Parliament, Bulabinaka, good morning to you all. I rise to respond to the question that has been raised by the Honourable Leader of the Opposition. Honourable Speaker, I believe the question is relevant and an important one too, to be asked to the police and to the ministry. For the information of the Honourable Leader of the Opposition, Honourable Speaker, sir, there is an ongoing program which I had spoken to in this Honourable House, an uplift program between the Fiji Police Force and the Australian Federal Police. Quite an intensive program. It covers a whole scope of things, including the improvement of the police operational effectiveness. Also, the improvement in building a more professional organization for a more professional police officer, a more disciplined, that is able to effectively carry out their mission. Honourable Speaker, sir, the police force, there are two categories of complaints for ease of reference. It's normally called CAS or CAP. CAS simply means complaints against service, and CAP is complaints against police. I made to understand that this question here is to do with CAP. But overall, Honourable Speaker, for the information of the House, we are happy to see there's been progress made under the program, under the uplift program, on improving the police force, especially to do with rebuilding the confidence and trust with the public. Honourable Speaker, sir, the issue that has been raised, we have a current system that has been in place, platforms that has been adopted by the police. There's about 10 ways that a member of public or anyone could report against a police officer or including CAS. If I may very briefly, there are 10, and I've included the 11th. One, two is the Minister for Policing and Communication. One is the police toll-free line 917, Crime Stoppers 919, social media platforms as the police Facebook page, police website, in-person reports at the various stations, complaints to the Commissioner of Police, you can write directly to the Commissioner of Police, or officers or division commanders. There's also an opportunity, a platform on internal affairs, you can write to the internal affairs. Also, external oversight does not include the police into FICAC for allegations involving bribery or corrupt practices. Honourable Speaker, these are the list of the various platforms that are available for public and society to lodge the complaints, whether it's CAP or CAS. Honourable Speaker, the question before us is really, in my view, yes, we will consider, and I am firm on that, Honourable Speaker, to improve the service provided to our people. This is a key area that we must improve. So, for a dedicated, an online portal and a dedicated telephone, I can assure the Honourable Leader of the Opposition, I will consider that very seriously and give relevant instructions to the Commissioner on actions that could be taken. Thank you, sir.